being with yours. I'm alone, right about now. Wanna kick it, you might miss it when it's gone. And I've got withdrawal symptoms every time you leave. Cologne and perfume, loved by tattoos. Yeah, I've got withdrawal symptoms every time you walk away.
Hello llamas and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's makeup look, I was inspired by the TV show Euphoria. I looked at so many photos online and was captivated by Rue's look with the glitter tears. Something about her messy look is beautiful. I feel like it represents our messy lives and how those aspects of ourselves give us strength. I feel like the glitter almost represents the strength in ourselves after going through the hard parts in life. So starting with the face, I am using the usual Emcosmetics lightweight foundation cushion. I figure it's best to keep the look as natural as possible. Also, this foundation keeps the skin nice and dewy.
Cologne and perfume, loved by tattoos. Yeah, I've got withdrawal symptoms.
I really loved Rue's glitter tears. Here I just did my own spin on them. I noticed the makeup looks in Euphoria are very colorful and most of the characters have a lot of glitter or these jeweled stickers on their eyes, and I'm absolutely living for it. So using the Violets palette from the Juvias place, I took this metallic light violet shimmer and placed this on the lower half of the eyelid. I wanted the eyes to have a subtle use of color and still add the element of light like it's used on the show. I just placed this with my finger. I also added it into the inner corners.
I love what you do, and I offer you.
Rue's tears look towards the end are a bit messy, so I wanted to add some depth to the eyes. I took this magenta shade from the Zulu palette and added this to the lower lash to give the eyes almost a sunken type of feel.
On the ride home, wishing you were mine. Glowing.
To keep the look on the minimal end, I ended up using two different colored eyeliners, one white, and placed this on the crease and extended it to the eyebrow.
Just a friend, I'm ready to ignite, ready to ignite. Goosebumps every time I try to catch your eye. Hold me in suspense and take me by surprise. I'm so high on the smoke.
Then I took a purple eyeliner and overlapped it with the white eyeliner. I've never done my eyes like this before and I thought it looked really cool. I also kind of got Winx vibes from this.
Driving me crazy, got me burning in flames. Ooh. Obsessing in secret on an overnight. I can't.
Now for the most exciting part, the tears. First, I used the magenta eyeshadow and began to design the tears.
Can you feel it?
So for this, you will need some sort of gel or gloss product to get Rue's tiered look. So using Colourpop's So Dewy in the clear gloss, I just placed this where I drew my pink tears.
Sheets, do you ever think of me? Oh, my head is spinning too.
To get the glitter, I added this glitter shade from the Aura and Out palette and just placed this on top of the gloss following the tear lines. It's subtle, but it looks really good in low lighting.
Driving me crazy, got me burning in flames. Ooh. Obsessing in secret on an overnight.
Then I added some of my Sailor Moon Rose Gold eyeshadow as highlight and placed this on the upper cheekbones. To give the tears that iridescent glow, I added a bluish purple shimmer shadow and traced it on the magenta tears I drew in earlier. To soften the look, I smudged the purple shadow with my fingers. So I threw away my old bronzer because it expired, and I used Huda Beauty's Cool Toned Brown Lipstick. I swatched this on my cheeks to add some depth onto the face. Last, I added this flower jelly lipstick to give the lips a subtle pink glow. This lipstick is like a mood ring. It changes color depending on your body temperature. To add more gloss to the lips, I went in with Emcosmetics Quartz shade and just added a layer of this. Then taking the same glitter from earlier that I added onto the tears, I added this onto the lips as well to make it more 3D-like. Alright llamas, hope you enjoyed this look. If you have other things you would like to see on this channel, drop it below in the comments. See you llamas next time.